Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the MPOW EG3 Pro gaming headset with surround sound. Let's open up this bad boy. There. There's a nice Ziploc bag. I guess, carrying case. You can carry it. Take them out. Take them out. Four. And it comes with, well, that's pretty good. And it has a 4-pin 3.5mm connector with an adapter to go down to the 3-pin to fit in your computer. So let's get these things after and check them out. Look at rebuilt. The build quality looks really nice. Really nice. Get your mic, bend any way you want. Look really nice, and the headphones are really soft. These headphones are awesome. They fit over your ears. You can wear them for hours and hours and hours. They don't hurt you at all. They cancel out all the noise around you, so you can just enjoy the game or the music or whatever you want to do, or whatever you're listening to. Excellent bass. The sound quality for the price is absolutely amazing. Link in the description below to Amazon so you can price it out. Highly recommend these. Highly recommend them. Real good headphones. I really like them. A braided cord. Got your mute here. Your volume control. Awesome headphones. I really like them. Thumbs up. Back to work now.